Look at that. Fucking professional.
Oh, spotless.
Look at that, baby. It's alright. Get it warm. Once it gets hotter than any water, that it'll just evaporate, right? Fucking clean. Yep. Woo.
Yeah, it's running better now.
Yeah. Well, it's because of the, I think the belt got wet.
Yeah, probably.
Right? Oh yeah.
Oh, fuck yeah. Look at that thing go.
Look at all that white stuff.
You got spray it with a lot of white shit. That's always the one you use.
Beauty.
Beautiful.
Oh, it looks beautiful. Damn. Oh yeah, fuck yeah. You gotta get the suds to like soak it up. Oh, you're caught.
Clean the beer up nice and good.
All right, let's It's your boy. Look at that. Speakers outside. Humming some tunes. That's how you do. Moistly, baby. See that? Mother's detailer. Wow. It's a beaut.
Even the 16-year-old side step's gonna look alright.
Not bad. I didn't even know that was Mother's. I just gave it to you.
All you need is Mother's.
It came with the black plastic.
Oh yeah.
Ooh. There you go. Look at this.
Right, so we got 16-year-old plastic here.
Look at that. Look at that.
Pretty faded.
Yeah.
We're gonna hit with some French here.
Some French.
Look at that. Look at that.
Now we don't know how long it's gonna last, but right now
this
it looks
is gonna be
fucking
the
good.
test, actually.
Yeah.
I know how long Mother's back to black was.
Of course you do. Of course you do.
This might be the make or break here. Right? It might be if it's Mother's.
Oh,
It might not be junk if it isn't Mother's here. We're gonna
it's a
find
tough.
out.
It's a tough one. It's a tough one.
I wouldn't risk it on my 11 though. I'm gonna risk it on this.
Because we do have a comparable. We have this. It's not a Mother's, but we do have plastic actual treatment.
Yeah, but it's McGuire's.
Oh, right. Correct.
All right, let's see how she does on the door handle here.
4. After.
Looks beautiful.
Looks beautiful.
Looks very.
See how we goes, boys. Looks good so far,
It does.
but we got to do the test of time.
All we got is time.
Look at that. Not bad, actually. Not bad.
Fuck yeah, that turned out well.
Wonder how long the tires are gonna last.
Yeah, I'm curious.
Not bad. Fuck, I like the trim. Whew. Come on, you gotta see the bumper. That bumper is mint. That bumper is
Fuck yeah, that
mint.
turned out good.
Look at that bumper, dude.
That's fucking
Shit.
beautiful.
Woo! Look at that, boys. What? Woo! We got one more pail. One more pail. One more pail. This one's a thick boy. Oh,
Beautiful.
beauty. All right, bro.
All right.
Peace. It's your boy. See ya, bro.